First, I have to unmute my microphone. There we go. Um, okay, let's start with the Forex factory here. We do have some news today in 5 minutes. We do have the flash manufacturing PMI as well as new home sales. If something gives me a really good entry at 9:45, or rather in the macro 9:50 to 10:10, I would take that. But I would prefer to stay sidelined until we have the news release at 10 a.m. I think that would be better. All right, let's start with the weekly. We don't really have some levels here. I would like to see price hitting. Mm, I mean, we have this volume imbalance here. This will act as kind of a magnet, so I do think price will be attached to this one here. Mm, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow or Friday. I do think this will be an up close week. But let's jump on the daily. So there we go. On the daily, we traded today through the volume imbalance here, or rather through the inverted volume imbalance here. And right now we failed at the bigger volume imbalance above here. I do think we will reach the midpoint of it. If we do it today, I honestly don't know. We have to wait for the news release at 9:45 to tell this, and afterwards I will have a concrete bias. But to be honest, for the AM session, I'm rather short. I would like to see lower prices, and I would like to see price going somewhere into this gap here and fill it. Maybe not fill it completely, but at least dip into it, because this gap here is also a magnet for price, in my opinion. On the 4-hour chart, we just traded through the volume imbalance, and right now we are in a volume in an old volume imbalance here. Price was hitting the midpoint and now retraces from there on. I would like to see it be filled completely and not closing above it. Like I would like to see a wick to the end of it, but I want the body to close rather below, but inside of it would be okay as well. Mm, so, all right, and the hourly is basically the same, so I don't have to say anything here about it. So let's jump to the 15-minute chart, which is this one. So we do have our Asian range low as well as the London range low still intact. We do have our opening range gap on the downside. And yeah, I would like to see price going down to the last day high. OPCL is open close, which means we have one last day high from midnight to midnight and one last day high from open to close. It's just for me to see which one is more reactive for price, so I know which one I will use in future. And yeah, we trade just upside since we opened. We dipped a little bit inside of this range and traded away from it. I want to see some measure of weakness here, but first, like my ideal narrative right now would be at 9:45 we trade higher inside of this new week opening gap here, and then we trade through the last week high, fail at this level and trade lower. And as soon as we fail at this level and we trade lower, I would just look for a short here, and consider going short until maybe until the London range low or the um, gap here, the beginning of the gap, something around this level here. I would take that. Yeah, but let's see. First price has to give us something. We do have our last day high here from midnight to midnight. And yeah, here we have our 15 F our 5 minute, 1 minute, and 15-second chart. There we go. Yeah. So I still wait for the. I need this one here. No, that's the wrong one. I need this one here. Oh, I don't have to wait for it. It's already there. I want the first presented fair value gap here, which is this one here, and it's inverted, and we touched it and traded away from it. So let's see what the news release is doing now. First real-time fair value gap from the 23rd of April. I do really expect higher prices right now for the beginning. Let's see how price is reacting. I mean, we had a nice reaction at the first real-time fair value gap of today after we inverted this level perfectly here, and we dipped into it, not able to close in it or below it, and retraced higher. So yeah, let's see, but I do think we will see higher prices now. News already released and nothing happened. Like nothing happened. Let me put some music into the background. There you go. Okay, let's see. Something is wrong with the numbers. No, we have the numbers. They're already done. We just have new home sales right now. So I consider going long. Aha, I'm not even locked in. That's pretty dumb. Let me put the risk disclaimer on real quick for the login. Ba, 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 ba. Of course my internet is struggling right now. How should it be different than that? Are you serious right now? There we go. Wow, this has to be a issue with the Apex servers because I'm not able to log in. Wow. Come on. Oh. Request timed out. Ay, ay, ay. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Damn, this was a fight. There we go. We're back. 7 cents, man. Good to see you. Hi, how are you? Yes, sir. We're 4% up today. That's a lot. You said it yesterday, right? You said it yesterday, man. You said you want 4%. It's pretty awesome. So we're entering the macro now. It's 950 to 1010. How are you doing, man? How are you doing? I take that. Well, that will take me out. That will take me out right now. Till tomorrow. What's tomorrow, man? What's tomorrow? So this will take me out now. There we go. What the fuck? Why am I even more down right now? What the fuck was this, man? I don't want to do that. What was this, man? Why? No, I want to close that. That was crazy. That was strange. I lost the double of it right now, only because price was, what the fuck, $2,000? Only because somehow it added me a lot size instead of closing my trade. What was that, man? Yeah, that was crazy. That was annoying. Anyway, let's see how price is reacting at the first real-time hour for value gap of today. And then we will see how we react there. How was the fucking exit liquidity? Serious? Seriously right now? Ah, come on. Come on, I want to go to the inversion level, and from the inversion level, I want to see you dip in and go higher. I would take that, man. I would immediately go long as soon as we touch it and as soon as we take off. Where are we even in this game here? Yeah, we will definitely go higher. I still think we will go higher, but I would like to see some entering here in this level. Just below this would be enough. Like I don't want to, I don't need to see a lot of dipping into it, but I would like to see it dipping below this one and then taking off. Um, I would prefer that instead of just seeing it trading higher. Let's see. Let's see. So if we have a look on the 50-minute chart, we have this fair value gap here. I would like price to dip inside of it before we take off. Yeah, come on. And now give me something strong. That's okay. Either I blow my account right now, or I fucking rip it. So right now we're sticking at the 4-hour volume imbalance here. So basically this level here is where I would, it's a buy, isn't it? Yeah, it's, there we go. I would exit here. And to the downside somewhere here. This is a buy, so let's stop here. Man, lately my trades aren't really working that well. I don't know what it is, but somehow it isn't working anymore so good as it used to. I'm not friends with these market conditions currently, I guess. But it's okay. That's all right. So price is respecting this level here, which is an old fair value gap. I do really like this, that we're respecting this level here. And I really don't want price to see this level of violating this level here. It could do it. Could do everything, obviously. But yeah, I would prefer this here to stay open and price just taking off. So it would give me some kind of an institutional order flow entry drill on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. I mean, it's still all open here. And price is consolidating. I again catch the consolidation, which sucks. But yeah, that's all right. That's okay. There is this conspiracy theory of the loser cycle, but I do believe in that. I do believe in that. If you have the like a run of losing things, of losing trades, you go down the spiral. Like it's very difficult to exit there because you're not really sticking to your pattern anymore. You're not really respecting your rules and so on and so far. So I do really believe there is something like a um, loser cycle here. Maybe I'm catched in it. Or maybe I break free today. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, currently we just trading sideways. There's not much to say about this one here. We have a small point of resistance, which is somewhere here, like the 50% of this wick. It's very interesting for me to see what price will do at this level. It's 19,109.5, 19,109.5. So yeah, this level here, it's the CE. Oh, that's wrong. Come on. There we go. It's the CE of this 1 minute wick, and I would like to see how price is reacting there. I don't want to see price having a difficult time going through it. I wanted to see it going through with displacement, going through with displacement, just ripping through it, and then going somewhere until here. It's just a few points below my target, so I'm sure it will be hit. But yeah, first of all, we have to see how price is reacting at this level here, and then we see how to move on from here. Be very interesting because here is the high of the volume imbalance on the 4-hour basis. So, but still, we could trade through this. Have we took out this one? It's the high of 144.75, 144.5. So we not even took that liquidity there. But probably I should go. Oh, that would be sad if it's just this. No, I stick to this one here. I stick to this one, and this would also be. Yeah, we got a cluster of levels on the 4-hour chart, which could be an indicator that price isn't on our side right now, but yeah. Let's see. Let's see where we go here. For now, I'm catching a consolidation. Help! Help! It's just inside of this range. Yeah, come on, now break through, man. Give me that high. Give me that high. I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it. I need it. I want it. I need it. I want it. I want to break 3. And I think the 4-hour, yeah. Oh, that's dangerous. The 4-hour high, like the high of the. Let me show you this one. The high of the 4-hour volume imbalance is also in alignment with the daily high of the 15th of April, which is, where is it? Which is this level here. That's here. So it's basically just above this one. So could be possible that we just wick above it, but as soon as we go above this level, I will drag my take profit somewhere down below this conquer encouragement of this wick and just leave a runner. And if it goes to my take profit, fine. If it's stopping me out, it's fine as well. Like I'm fine with every outcome there. I will not cry about that. But I don't like this consolidation here. This is very. That's sad. That's sad. That's so sad. Come on. Come on. Go higher, go higher, go higher, go higher. Go higher, go higher, go higher. So we're inside of this range here. And I would like to see a breakout of this. Out of this range here, that would be pretty cool. As I said, I want to see how price is reacting at the counter encouragement of this 1 minute wick. And as soon as we go above this high here of this wick, I would really drag my stop just somewhere, maybe in between this one here, so a bit below it, maybe here. And hope my take profit will be hit. But for now, we opened and we just smashed higher without even thinking about going lower to the opening range. So I do not really think we will see. Well, I do think we will see a retracement, but I do think we will see a retracement at, I don't know, maybe 11 o'clock, not before that. I don't really think we will see something before 11 o'clock with lower prices. I think we will smash higher. So I want to see displacement at this level. I don't want to see this being too much of a resistance for price. I would like to see a displacement through it. The price seems to have a difficult time right now. We have 1 minute 15 on the 15-minute time frame left to close the candle, and if we close like this or even a bit below, would be an institutional order flow entry drill, and that would be pretty bullish. That would be pretty good for higher prices. Let's see. Let's see where this goes. I mean, you see it here. If we trade it just a bit inside of it and we retrace pretty quick, that's institutional order flow entry drill, basically. And that's a measure of bullishness for the price. 15 seconds. Booyah! Looks good. So I would like to see the very next candle take off to the upside rather quick and not spending too much time at this level. Let's see if this will happen as I expect it to happen or not. Or not. This isn't looking so good here, huh? It's the wrong direction, bro. That's the wrong direction, man. pretty strong the wrong direction. Will we turn here? Could be. Let's see. So right now we're inside of this fair value gap here. I really don't like the price action right now, and I really don't want to see it being filled in completely. Let's see what price gives us. I mean, we're still in this range. It's pretty crazy how long we're inside of this consolidation here, honestly. Very interesting. Some interesting price action here. Some very interesting price action. And I don't know why, but I got a feeling that we turn here. I don't really think that we today market. Man, I don't know. I think it'll go higher. I don't know what to think about this, but I know it's nothing good. I mean, it's okay. It's okay as long as we don't close, as long as we don't fill this fair value gap completely in. It's okay. I have to take that, but phew, this is not what I expected price to do. I was expecting some more bullishness, and now I'm far freaking caught up in a consolidation, which is pretty annoying. But I'm still bullish. My only fear right now is that price will take out a measure of sell side before it goes to the upside. And somehow I got a feeling that it will take out this exact sell side here and then just turn and go higher. Um, Also, it needs to hit my take profit before 11 o'clock because I don't want to be caught up in a trade at the retracement hour. Something I would not like to see. But let's see. To be honest, it was also pretty dumb to go inside this trade because it wasn't my pattern again. I broke my rules again. That's pretty sad. The second time today. That's pretty stupid. But yeah, I don't know how to overcome it. Like this trading out of boredom, it's a struggle for real. It's a struggle. Let me see what music we can play. Also, we have a lot of wicking again on the 50-minute time frame. I don't really like that, but for now it looks pretty good that we will maybe see higher prices. Maybe we will not go down there. But yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. We're in the macro right now, 10, 20 to 10, 40. So maybe price is just giving us a shoot up. Let's see. So we have a fair value gap here. That's pretty cool. It's an inversion. That's nice. That's an inversion inside of the macro. That's something I like to see. This one here. Let me make the color a bit more. A bit stronger here. There we go. Oh, come on. That's really? For real? There we go. This is the fair value gap. I don't need it here, I need it here and here, okay. All right, and we still have this one. I want to see price going through this with displacement still. Snipping, just ripping it. I don't want to see this lolly-folly, molly-dolly price action. I wanted to shoot through it. Shoot through it, just rip it, just break it, just do something with it. Just Do something with it. Also, we have this high here, which was violated with this up move we made right now. Come on. Higher, just give me displacement. Give me displacement. Yeah, it's not willing to do that. Hmm. Hmm. This is an inversion as well. This is an inversion as well. This one is one. Our inversion levels are a different color. And this one is one as well. But here as well, it's different color. I don't like this. I don't like that it has a difficult time to go through it. Like I would like to see it go through it with speed, with some measure of real strength, and not this, like not going through it, retracing back below it. I don't like that. I really don't like that. Come on, now give me some displacement to the upside. Don't play with me. Don't play with me like that. It's even the 50% level of this is 109. Yeah, there we go. It's the 50% level of this 15-minute wick as well. That's why we're struggling here so much. So I hope it will make it through. It's not sure if we will do it, but let's see. It's 109. Is this 109? Yeah, it's 109. It's fine. It's the CE of this 50-minute wick. Difficult time going through it. There we go. Looks better, but looks still not good. It looks better, but it looks still not good. Do you know what? Lowest hanging fruit. I take that. No, I make something different. I will leave this here where it was. Here, no, here. Ah, come on. Here. Yeah, it's good. And as soon as we go at this level, I will drag my stop loss up. So right now I can move it here. It's okay. It should be safe there. And as soon we go above this level here, the midpoint here, I would, as soon as we go above this midpoint here, I will drag my stop loss up a bit. Come on. There we go. We touched the high. I should be, I should close here, to be all honest. I should really close here. I think that's good enough. That's okay. That's okay. I show you why. Maybe I should have left it, leave it on, but we do have this, we do have this high of the volume imbalance here. And yeah, it's an old one, but we respected it. We respected the midpoint of it, and I don't know. I really don't want to stick with it just for the sake of sticking to it. I think it's better to take the lowest hanging fruit, which is this objective, and yeah, leave it there, because we had a small loss today, and just to make it back and to make a bit of profit there, I think that's cool. I think it's cool where we were, and yeah, maybe we will go to the um, take profit I had back here, but I don't care. I really don't care. I made some profit today. It wasn't my pattern. It wasn't my idea. I took it. It was good. It ended well, and there we are. There we are. So, so basically, to show you this again, we do have this level here. That was wrong. That's what I was wanting to do. There we go. We do have this level here. It's the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour chart here. And we hit it this high, and this high was basically my exit. And as I said, we could go higher. My take profit was somewhere here, which is reasonable because there is this high, and yeah, so we do have these relative equal highs. And we also have this high still intact, and we could take it out. I don't say it's not possible, but for me, the high of this volume imbalance here is the lowest hanging fruit, and yeah, I don't want to provoke a loss here. So I will stick still around until 11:10, maybe 11:10, and afterwards I will end the stream because I think we will have a retracement, and I do have to make my trading journal. So for me, if price goes higher, I want to see it go higher here and not go below these levels. I would just prefer price to respect them. So even if I would have been in the trade, right now would be the moment where I would exit because I don't like this not really retracement, but this going back inside of this range. I mean, it could just go to the 50% level and go higher from here again, but that's too risky. Like why being inside of that trade if it's not necessary? Also, we have pretty clean and nice levels here on the daily basis. We do have these relative equal highs here, and this is a very nice buy side for price to take that. So I think it will also reach out for this. Yes, sir. We respect these levels here with the bodies. Could be a good sign for bullishness as well. Let's see how this plays out. Yes, sir. Everything is going up right now. Everything is looking pretty nice, pretty clean. Look at this here. There we go. That's the Dow and the ES and the NQ next to each other. They are moving really nice in alignment. They have a clean uptrend. That's really nice what is happening here. Even if we go on the 1 minute basis, it looks pretty cool. Like that looks pretty good here. That looks pretty good. pretty good what the markets are doing right now. Let me bring this display up. It's a pretty clean price action again here. Right now we traded this 50% level of this wick, which is this level here. And this could act as some kind of a resistance here. Not necessarily, but it could. As I said, this is the retracement I expected, and and also not as well, and also we are in the macro right now. For the retracement. It could go just to the 50% level of this price leg, but I don't assume that. I really assume a deeper dip. 50% would be pretty close to where we are right now. Or it's, oh, there we go, 69.75. There we are. This is the equilibrium of this, equilibrium of the price lag. Where can I change this one? I need it below it. Yeah, the price lag is from here to here. This one here. All right. So you see, price is afraid to touch this level here, the equilibrium of this price range. And also it's not, it's not able to close with the bodies inside of this, below this inversion fair value gap, like this one here, which indicates strength for the price. I think that's good. I think that's good enough for now. And I think I will end here the stream because, yeah, I really I'm not willing to take another trade, and also I just think we will just drop more and more until 12 o'clock, and I think we will have a continuation at 1:30. But until then, I think we will just drop and rebalance some ranges here. And yeah, I don't have to see that. I will see it. I will look at it, obviously, but not on stream. I do my journal right now, and after journaling, um, I will tape read. I will continue my tape reading. But yeah, that's it for the stream now. Um, That's it. I will close here. So I will be here tomorrow. Let me have a look at the news. Mm, I will be here tomorrow at. We have unemployment claims at 8:30. I will be here tomorrow at 8:15. I think I will be here at 8:15. 8:15 or maybe a bit earlier, but I will be here at 8:15 to check the impact of the unemployment claims and durable goods and core durable goods and so on and so far. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow, 8:15. And I hope you have a good trading. Thank you very much, Seven Cents, for joining. It was a pleasure again. It was a pleasure again to talk to you. And yeah, I wish you all a nice Wednesday, I guess. Yeah, Wednesday. Have a good day. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow at 8:15. Until then, have a good trading. Bye bye.